Hi, I'm Paula at Tri-State Sew Vac, and I'm just working here with the PFAFF Performance Icon. It's a brand new machine, and I've got this foot on. It's called the bi-level tap stitch foot. I was trying to figure out if I could... Okay, so that's what it looks like. It actually has a cutout on the bottom side. So it's made for bags and purses and things like that, or handles. I've got a handle underneath here I'm doing on a towel. And I've lengthened my stitch to 3. And I've actually moved the needle all the way over to the left to a -4.5 with just regular straight stitch. And then when I get to the corner here, needle down, and then with the needle down, I take it one more stitch here. Then you can pivot and continue on, but this foot makes it a dream to do top stitching on thicker fabric. You just have to stop at the right place. So let me try this again. Okay. You see what's happening there? Do one more spot here. Let me move this just a little bit here. Yeah, you can see that. So I'll do a little bit more, okay? A little bit trickier on the outside corner here. But like I said, with that foot, there's a cutout underneath, so it makes it lay down nice when you've got thickness. Okay, and then I'm just going to reverse at the end there. So I'm going to cut the thread there. And then you can see this now. Where the top stitching that I did on the... And this foot on the bottom side is cut out like that, so it gives you more... you can put thicker fabric underneath there and get a nice stitch. Thank you for watching. This is Paula at Tri-State Sew Vac. And actually, maybe I'll spin this around so that you can see what I just did. Just a minute. I still need to make a buttonhole and sew a button on here. See? So that's going to be something special for Christmas. Thanks for watching. See you soon. This is Paula at Tri-State Sew Vac. Bye.